Uline Expandable Conveyors are the mobile solution for shipping and receiving departments looking to conveniently load, unload, and transport product across workspaces. These light-duty conveyors come in a variety of sizes to accommodate all of your shipping needs. Multiple units can be linked together to extend a line and feature 5-inch swivel lockable casters that allow them to roll easily into place and stay safely secured. Uline Expandable Conveyors feature a self-tracking design that allows cartons to follow twists and turns on the conveyor path, allowing you to snake through workspaces and around corners. Once the conveyor is in position, use the height adjustment knobs to control the incline of the conveyor. With a load capacity of 200 pounds per linear foot, heavy loads move freely over durable plastic skate wheels. All expandable conveyors include end stops that are easily set to prevent packages from sliding off the conveyor. With Uline Expandable Conveyors, you get the benefits of permanent conveyors without sacrificing usable space when not in use or needing additional units for multiple locations. All of Uline's expandable conveyors ship unassembled and are easily assembled with the included instructions. Uline Expandable Conveyors are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our convenient locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.